Hey everyone, Shelley here from Coconut Courses, and welcome to our tech tip on widgets, a new feature in iOS 14. What the heck are widgets? Well, these are small little information displays. They're going to give you the timely information on your iPhone. They're super easy to see. They'll help you organize your apps. You can customize your home screen, and you can declutter your iPhone, something I found really handy. You'll need iOS 14, so make sure you go into your settings, go ahead into the general area, and check that your software is updated. Check out our video on updating your iOS to 14. And subscribe below if you like what you see. Also, you can take our free course on Coconut Courses on iPhone tips and tricks. So go ahead and update your phone to iOS 14. We're going to take a little tour of the iPhone just so that we're clear about our terminology. While you're on the home screen, which is your main page, if you take your finger and swipe to the right, you're going to get to what's called the Today view, a listing of your most frequently used apps. The home screen is your main page, and you can get to that by pressing the home button. On newer phones, you'll swipe up. And if you take your finger and swipe to the left, you're going to get to the very last page. So you might have to swipe a little bit. It depends, how many apps that you have and how many pages of apps that you have. But this is a new feature, and this is called the App Library. We're going to take a look at that a little bit later. My apps before I upgraded to iOS 14 look like this. I've got, single apps, I've got apps in folders, and I have pages and pages and pages of apps. So that's fine, that's my organizational system, but I really like this new upgrade. Not only can I have my folders and single apps, but I can have some of them appear larger. So they'll give me more information at a glance. These are called widgets. So I have a photo widget on the left and I have a note widget on the right. They're just going to appear larger than a normal app would. And then I can take different widgets and I can put them one on top of the other to make a smart stack. And I can scroll through that manually, or the iPhone will automatically change from one app to the other. I'll show you how to add a widget. It's really easy. Press on the home screen, press the plus button in the top right corner, and you can search for widgets that come up there, or you can type in the search bar at the top. I'm going to add my notes widget, so I hold that down or tap it, and now you can see it comes in three sizes: a small, large one, and a medium one. The small one will take up the same amount of room that 4 apps would on your screen. The medium would take up 8, and the large one would take up 16. So I'm going to add this middle one so that I can see some detail in my notes, and I'm going to press Add Widget at the bottom. Now I can drag that and move it anywhere I want on the screen. So you can see I've got more information there than I would if I just had a picture of the app. Click out to stop it jiggling. And if I wanted to then put another widget on top of that to make a smart stack, I can. You can also find widgets in the App Store. So here's one that I've been using lately. It's called Sticky Widgets. So I'll show you what that looks like. I can put short notes in here. I've chosen the smallest size widget. You can show quite a bit more text with the medium or large version. If I click into it, just a short tap, I can do some typing there and press save. And if I hold it, I'll get to the edit widget. I could change out things like background color, font size, etc. I have pages and pages of apps. So I've tried to, be diligent and organize them into folders, but I'm getting a little tired of seeing all of them. So I'm going to hold down the home screen. I'm going to click the bar at the bottom, and I'm going to uncheck the pages that I don't want to see anymore. Doesn't mean that the apps are going to go away, they're just going to be hidden and I can still search for them. So now as I swipe, it just will take me to the very end, to the app library, and I'm kind of digging how they've organized them for me. So in my health and fitness, it will give me larger icons for the ones I use more frequently, and if I click the smaller icons, it will give me an alphabetized list. So I'm really liking this system. Please hit subscribe below so you receive new videos as they're posted. Visit our website, coconutcourses.com, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Coconut Courses. We give you tech tips so your kids don't have to.